I'll be teaching you how to like get a custom keyboard for example, let me just show you. As you can see, I have like the Sasuke keyboard. How do you get it? So for this, you actually need to install a app. It's called Face Moji Keyboard. You can just go to um yeah, wait, you can just go to Play Store and download it from there. But I already have it installed, so I'm just gonna show you guys how it works. So you just go in there. Um, um, like if you can't like find like 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 they're just loading, but like as you can see over here, like the place I'm circling. Wait, over here, like the place I'm circling. That means like how much people have been using that, but that really doesn't matter. If you don't like any of these, like you can't really find any of these like to your according like you don't like them, click on the yellow button, and over here it'll show what the fuck, wait, Haktua, and it'll just show this, it'll just show that, or whatever photos you can go, or you can, or you can go to albums and pick it out or whatever. And like, okay, for example, I'm gonna pick this for my screenshots, Jiraiya and Naruto, and I'm just gonna like make it bigger a little. For example, just twist it up like that, like so I can get both of their faces in, and then I'll just hit next. Wait, next, and over here I'll give you like some like things if you wanted like DJ or something, or bunny, like that. These are kind of like the effects. You can keep it as default if you want to change it. Or wait, what does thunder do? It was kind of bad. So you can go to keys and customize your keys. For all these ones that have like the arrow on them, that means you need to watch an ad to get them. And you can just like pick it from here, or yeah, and you can pick like the color, like so the outside's yellow, inside no, the inside is of a blue. Blender colorless go white and black, like that. Like leans like the effect you want to give your keys. I usually keep it off, or I do like the shiny. And then they added a new one. You can adjust the brightness and the sound. Though the yeah. For like this, you can like pick the font of your thingy, like cursive. For example, I don't know what this is called, but yeah, and like swipe what animation you want for swipe. Like for recording the heart one, when you move it around, they're like leaves. I don't know what they're called. Sorry. And for the effects, it's like when you click on a button, it'll show like a heart or anything else like a music. But I usually like to keep it as off. Now sound, I think this is like the most satisfying. Wait, wait, why isn't this working? I have this full, bro. I know why it's not working, but like it's supposed to be like something like that, right? Hold on, why is my thing blurry? Bright, oh, blurriness. Um, oh my, that's too bright. yeah, so that's kind of it for this video. I have no clue what's not clicking, but yeah, that's kind of how you customize it. And there's like an option up there to save. You can click on it. It'll say in just a moment, and you just gotta wait. And there we go. Wait, cutout effect or normal, original, or you can do like cutout effect. So like you only see like the actual drawings, not like the the words. I like to keep it as original. Then you can click on use it, and you can type some random stuff with it. And to show you that it actually works, oh, go in Google and show you guys. You can see it actually works, guys. So you should try this out. I hope you enjoyed. See you all in the next one, guys. Uh, wait, what is this? Gang signs? Oh, alright, that's kind of it for this video. Juice WRLD forever, guys. Bye.